Great, purchase order. So we send that out to Legacy Antiques. They get the order going for us. And at some point in the near future, we're going to imagine that those cabinet pulls are going to arrive. And we need to record that receiving value into Design Manager. Entering receiving information for inventory purchase orders is critical to maintaining proper inventory accounting. This action is reflected immediately in the status of the item, and as you can see, it's going to automatically change any of those quantities automatically for us. And let's see how it does so. To record the receiving of the cabinet pulls, we go back to our inventory purchase order window. We already have the purchase order in question highlighted, and here we want to click the receiving status or rec status button. This gets us to our inventory purchase order status window where we can put lots of order tracking information in, such as the acknowledgement of the purchase order if desired. We can have notes upon the order. But for most important to our discussion right now, we can indicate that we truly received these pulls. And to do that, click the edit button. We can put that information in. We can use today's date as the receive date. Notice that my back order quantity is automatically defaulting to 9, but as soon as I input information into the quantity received, that updates automatically. Let's say I only got 5 of the pulls in, the back order quantity would also automatically update to 4. But we'll receive them all in our case. Received in full. And now, when we click OK, let's see the effect of that receiving transaction on our cabinet pulls. Go back to our stock items. Let's go down, and we can, right from our inventory stock item glossary window itself, I can see that our on-order quantity has decreased to 0, and yet our on-hand has increased to 10. And that update in the totals is due to the receiving transaction that we just input. That receiving transaction increases the on-hand quantity and decreases the on-order quantity simultaneously.